I'm Kaylee.
And I'm Krista.
And today we are kayaking with our Newville Marine Triton. We are kayaking down Rock River.
Rock River.
Rock River.
For birthday week celebration week continues.
Today is Wednesday, and it's been the best birthday week ever. I hope you watched our vlog on going to Magic Waters because that was so much fun.
We had a great time. Can't wait to go back.
So today we decided to go for a little kayak trip down the water and go eat lunch at a really cool restaurant called the Anchor that is down here. You'll see us there in a little while. So
we'll probably have to have one of their famous lemonades.
Yeah,
because they're pretty much delicious. I don't know if they're making them at this hour, but hopefully they are. It's just that the mermaid might not be open, and the mermaid's the only one who makes
Oh, gotcha.
But
okay,
we might be able to show you one because they're pretty magical.
So we'll keep you posted. So come along with us and have a great day.
Bye.
We're at the Anchor eating, and look at this delicious
food. And this right here is their ranch that they make, and they do the best ranch in the whole entire world.
And I forgot to get some.
Like, if I could just get a little baby straw, I would just
suck it down.
Delicious. It's the best
so
ranch
good.
ever. And so she got a Chicago-style hot dog,
which I tend to get everywhere we go.
Delicious. We did not get a fancy lemonade today, but we might still. So if we do, we'll let you.
I'll show them that.
That's the Naughty Mermaid.
That's the Naughty Mermaid where they are. This is in Newville. And they're delicious. Everybody come to the Anchor. Guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining us on our kayaking day. What am I doing?
I don't know, but it looks very pretty, like Vanna White-ish. We had a great time. Hope you guys did too. We had some beautiful weather today, some really smooth water. It was fun, and we'll see you guys on the next birthday celebration, which will be Friday for shopping.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.